A Southern California family gets a huge payout after discovering their apartment was infested with bed bugs. NBC4's Angie Crouch joins us live now with the exact amount the family was awarded. Angie?
Yeah, Chuck, a civil jury here in Alhambra has awarded this family a record $1.6 million. That is the biggest payout ever for a single family in a bedbug case.
What happens is when people are exposed to bed bugs, there's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of sleeplessness. There is, in this particular case, significant disfigurement, especially for the young boy.
Jorge Jr., now 8 years old, showed us the scars left behind from the bug bites. His family says some of the $1.6 million will be set aside for medical treatment in the future.
She's modeled for some of the biggest names in beauty, fashion, and underwear, but she's never posed before like this.
I literally wanted to rip my skin off.
This beautiful model says her career came to a screeching halt after she was attacked by bed bugs.
The first morning when I woke up, I noticed a couple bites on my arm, but I didn't think anything of it. And then the second morning, it's when I noticed all the bites, and that's when it got worse.
She says these disturbing photos tell the story. Sabrina St. Pierre says she was massacred by an infestation of the critters when she stayed at a hotel in Palm Desert, California. Sabrina's lawyer, Brian Virag'S, is suing the Palm Desert Embassy Suites Hotel.
This is something that you are never going to forget. You'll never be able to be put back into the same position that you would have been had this never happened.
Sabrina says it was a nightmare.
I truly wanted to rip my skin. It was really, really bad.
The pictures are worth 1,000 words. Johnny Reynolds describes the emotional and physical distress he went through after bed bugs infested his Pacoima apartment back in 2013. Photos of those bed bug bites, his attorney says over the course of a few months he had roughly 500 to 1,000 all over his body. Brian Virag'S focuses on bed bug cases. He told us Johnny endured bites for 4 months.
I had never seen such significant bites on anybody before.
He says the management company had no excuse.
They multiply and reproduce so exponentially that if there's no pest control being done, then what happens is you end up with a completely severe infestation.
And after 4 years battling it out in court, the jury agreed. In a verdict Monday, the management company was ordered to pay Johnny more than $450,000, one of the largest bedbug verdicts for a single plaintiff.
There's never enough money to compensate somebody who's gone through such a tragedy.
Finally, I'm able to actually bring some justice to these people who never had any opportunity to get justice.